up, everybody? It's Sav Exposure. I just touched down in Vegas. We're on a family trip, a little family getaway. Get away from the Bay Area, get away from the smoke, do some fun things. It's also my little sister's 15th B-Day, so try to get out and about and show you guys some cool stuff. I really don't have a plan. We don't have a plan. I think like most people don't in Vegas. We're just gonna see what we can get into, see what we can run into, have fun, and just explore in the process and see what happens, and I'll try to capture it and take you guys along with me in our journey. So I'll show you guys a little bit of MGM Grand and give you some B-roll footage of Vegas. So lions like one of my favorite animals, so I'm gonna be showing off lions because I'm in the MGM Grand a lot. They used to actually have lions here. I don't know if they still do. But if they do, I'll definitely make sure I get them on the vlog, because who doesn't want to see a lion? So, who knows? Vegas safely. Make sure you're doing whatever you're doing, traveling, getting out and about safely. Always. Super beautiful, super cool. Just want to show you guys that. Of course, we got the casinos, the stores. We're moving in Sav Exposure. We out and about. It's day 2. About to get us some food. I didn't vlog anything yesterday because I wanted to settle in, experience things. Got the fountain in the back. What are you doing? Yeah, but we just been chilling, lounging around, having a good time, walking up the strip. Yesterday we just kind of walked up the strip, did a little bit of gambling, didn't do too much. But today is the day that I'm going to show you guys a lot. I'll be vlogging a lot. You'll be with me through my eyes. So yeah. Idea. Do you know where's mine? Well, it's probably not this way. This is the exit. So we're trying to find this crepe place to go through. It's about 1 o'clock. But we still want breakfast. We're gonna have a Vegas breakfast. I think most people still want breakfast around this time after waking up late. So yeah, that's what we're looking for. We're at the MGM. I don't know the name of the crepe place. When we get there, I'll make sure to show you guys everything. Yep. I hit on a couple of these flights last night. Try to bet on the game today, on the Lakers game. Let's see, Top Golf, Conference Center. It's probably, or it could be at the, what's that, Avenue Cafe. Looks like he's hitting on that. Might have to play that. All your favorite shows, Showtime, CBS, MTV, the CW. Amazon. That's Homeland, but if you watch The Boys, you know about Homelander. So, yeah. Vegas is cool. Check it out. Tap in, stay in. Be careful on what you do and distance yourself depending on what's going on. Yeah, I'm going to show you something really cool. So, we all watched the Hunger Games. You know that symbol. You know what's going on. Katniss Everdeen and me. Katniss. you've been watching my vlogs for a little bit, you know that I do archery. So I love bow and arrows. I love just natural stuff. I love like movies like Troy and 300 Spark. I just love like ancient Rome. Well, I wouldn't consider it ancient. Roman and Greek and even like Middle Eastern, Mesopotamia, all that like stuff before America, pretty much. Anything predating America, I love those films. So if it's a movie that's big or kind of a middle fixture in movies that predates America or it's kind of pre-colonial, I'm a fan favorite. So and I live my life by it. So yeah, from This Is Sparta to Are You Not Entertained, Hercules, all that good stuff. So.
How long does it go for?
Hill's Kitchen, Gordon Ramsay's restaurant, Bellagio, Water Show, Valleys, Paris, Paris.
My trick on.
Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. If you like this video, make sure you check out some other videos in Vegas, whether it's exploring Vegas, eating in Vegas, swimming at the MGM Grand Pool. I have all those listed on my channel, so make sure you check them out and stay tuned.